Hi everyone. And welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to be handsome. Now, I know that the concept of being handsome is subjective and varies from person to person. However, there are some general tips and tricks that can help you enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. First and foremost, let's start with skincare. Good skin is the foundation of a handsome appearance. Make sure to cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin every day. If you have any specific skin concerns, like acne or wrinkles, look into products that can help address them. Next, take care of your hair. Whether you have short hair or long hair, keeping it clean and styled can make a big difference in your overall appearance. If you're not sure what hairstyle suits you best, consider visiting a barber or hairstylist for advice. When it comes to grooming, it's important to pay attention to all the little details, like your eyebrows, nails, and teeth. Keeping your eyebrows trimmed and shaped can help frame your face, while taking care of your nails and brushing your teeth regularly can give you a more polished look. In terms of fashion, it's important to dress for your body type and choose clothing that fits well. Avoid clothing that's too tight or too loose, and opt for colors and patterns that complement your skin tone. Remember, confidence is key, so choose clothing that makes you feel good about yourself. Finally, don't forget about your posture. Standing tall and walking with confidence can instantly make you look more attractive. Being handsome isn't just about having good genes. By following these simple tips, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel more confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.
Let's go.